Welcome to our TechQu channel. Today, we'll take you through the complete process of a natural fruit juice processing plant. The process begins with fresh fruits being received, washed, sorted, and crushed to extract natural fruit juice. Next, the extracted juice is transferred to a holding tank where it is stored temporarily before further processing, ensuring a smooth and continuous production flow. The juice then passes through an instant chilling system where its temperature is rapidly reduced. This helps preserve the natural taste, color, aroma, and nutritional value of the juice while maintaining product freshness. After chilling, the juice is transferred to insulated storage tanks where it is safely stored under hygienic conditions until it is ready for further processing, blending, pasteurization, or filling. TechQ's natural fruit juice processing plant is designed for high-efficiency, hygienic operation, and consistent product quality, making it an ideal solution for juice manufacturers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.